Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. It's very easy. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So as you can see, the application size is medium one. So if I wanted to change it, I will simply right click on the desktop and select view and then select large icons. So you can see the changes, and if I wanted to set up to the smallest one, again I will right click here, select view and select small icons. So it's very easy, and you can also do this in the file explorer. So for example, these folder and files, I will simply go to view and select large icons and then small icons. So I will set up to the medium one. This is the default and best size. So it's very easy. That's it guys. Your problem is solved and you're good to go. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue and your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.